Okay, good morning. I'm just gonna show you right now that we're able to use Linux with Wine to install a Windows app like Paltalk, and that's a riff station that I use to play instrument, to play my guitar. It gives me my guitar note with an MP3 file. You're able to install Zamtalk, but right now Zamtalk server restricting us to log in. Paltalk is fine. Everything works. You're able to log in and do anything you're able to do uh, with Windows. Okay, so you click the paltalk.inc and it'll log you in with your account. Okay, you're able to go to rooms, go to any room, and trust me that the sound does work. Okay, you're able to listen to any of those rooms. Like I'm able to log into my room. Okay, if you click this, it will log into my room. All right. So, and then there's sound in there too. Okay, and then the recording music. I could show you with it will play also on Paltalk through in rooms. Okay. Okay, now I am doing that with OBS, okay, using a desktop Plasma login, all right, with PC Linux, and that's where you adjust all your sound. Okay, if your browser is too loud, you could bring it down here. Playback, okay, you could lower your mic. Okay, it says mic, you could lower it. Whatever plays on the desktop, you could also lower it or bring it up. Okay, and that's the audio volume controller. Okay, that's the best way to go and adjust your sound. The other way is if you click that little speaker here, also has you can change it also. Okay, right now it's using my plug-in headset. Okay, I also have a USB headset, not using it at the moment. Okay, so that's it. All right. Okay, we'll stop the video now. Hope that was helpful. And you could do the same thing with Paltalk for your audio setting and play music, but you can't use mic and play music at the same time at the moment. Okay, there's ways you could do it, but I haven't set it up yet. Thank you very much. Goodbye.